A vertical white line on the printed page can be caused by a dirty laser scanner unit. This is the laser scanner unit. It's inside the printer. You have to clean this glass window. The laser beam passes through this window. If the glass is dirty, the laser beam can't reach the drum and you have a non-printed white streak on the page. Open the front cover. Take out the drum unit and toner cartridge assembly. It's better to unplug the power cord of the printer. The laser scanner window is here, under this opening. Using a cotton swab, clean the glass window of the laser scanner in this way. Reinstall the drum and toner assembly and print a test sheet.